southwestern Guadalupe County, northwestern Wilson County, central Bexar County, south central Comal County, until 11:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near San Antonio International Airport to near Elmendorf, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, Schertz, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, San Antonio International Airport, Stinson Municipal Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Kirby, Alamo Heights, Windcrest, Canyon Lake, Terrell Hills, Bulverde, Garden Ridge, Hollywood Park, Alamos Park, and St. Hedwig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
That is me, guys. It is late. God. Why?
From the Austin San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. This is a special weather statement. At 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Lake Victor to near Twin Sisters. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Dime-size hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles.
Turn this off. Great. Hey, Dad.
Yes.
We're in a severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay.
I've already seen some hail fall out here.
Why are you trying to lie?
I'm not trying to lie.
Yeah, you are. What did you just do right there? That was a flat out lie.
Standard
I
time.
didn't see any
Doppler
hail.
radar indicated heavy rain due